Hello. Today, let's talk and see how we add up to 256 gigabyte of storage to our Nintendo Switch 2 system. That's possible only with the new lightning fast microSD Express cards. In this case here, it's from SanDisk. Of course, there are on the market too from Samsung or maybe other brands available too. This microSD Express card is really important to add them because if you need more space, more storage on your Switch too. But you have to think you cannot add an old school microSD card. Every microSD card is not possible to add. You can get this card into position, yes, but it will not be not be running on the system. You need an express card for this, and microSD express card for Nintendo Switch 2, for example. We have here lightning fast SanDisk microSD express card. This is an official license for Nintendo Switch 2. That means we have the next generation performance microSD express card for our Nintendo Switch 2, and the capacity is up to 256 gigabyte possible, as you can see. Of course, this is a new standard because the microSD cards are gained to a new level with 880 megabit per second sequential read performance. That's a lot of speed. This is SSD-like. We can unleash our creative potential and dive into a new experience with the SanDisk microSD Express cards. This is the next generation microSD cards for those who refuse to settle. Offload our device in record times and transfer a 2 hours HD movie download in less than 3.5 seconds while using the SanDisk Reader as the Express dual card, for example. This sold separately, but you see what speed is possible with that card. Up to 4.4 times faster than the fastest microSD UHS-1 card on the market. So we start gaming faster and explore virtual worlds that appear more realistic than ever. On top of saving time, create next level immersive content where the card supports faster burst and systems recording speed than as the UHS-2 card. With the addition of a PCI Express Generation 3 NVMe interface, the microSD Express card represents a massive step forward in the revolution of the microSD format with performance comparable to basic portable SSDs. How we now enter it into our system? First step is we have to shut down, switch off our Switch 2. Then we open the stand, and underneath the stand you will see this part, microSD Express port. There we can insert the microSD card. Of course, take care, Express, okay? Let me close the lid again, and we can restart the system. After we are going to restart the system, the Nintendo Switch 2 will see that there is a new storage in the bay, and it gives us the information about that we have to update the system with that. So we now have to update the system. For the update process, we will need internet access. And after we updated the system, the device, the Switch 2, will reboot. And after the reboot is done, the next level speed for a next level experience is available on our device. That's the steps we have to perform. Of course, because of that new device, all data on it will be deleted, and then not on the Switch, but on the SD card will be deleted, and it is then brand new in your system, ready to use, ready for new games, ready for new storage, and so on. That's how to add a lot of storage to our system with the new lightning fast microSD Express cards. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!